Hello everyone, this is Snigdha Mahapatra and today I will be talking about adoption laws in India. Adoption is one of those concepts that have undergone radical changes in the movement from primitive to the modern age. It basically refers to the transferring of the rights and responsibilities and obligations of a child's biological parents to their adoptive parents. It is a legal procedure. It establishes a parent child relationship between those people who are not associated with birth. It is a legal act of permanently placing a child under a parent and transferring all the rights upon the adoptive parents. In India, adoption has been legally accepted and also provides legitimate rights to the parents as well as the adopted child. In this video, I will be talking about the requisites of adoption, the eligibility criteria of the person, and the eligibility criteria of the persons. The requisites of a valid adoption. The person adopting should be capable and should have the capacity to take the child for adoption, and such capacity exists when he is of sound mind and is also competent, which means he should have attained the age of majority. He should not be a minor. The second requisite being the person should be capable of adopting when the father is alive. He alone can give in to adoption, but he can only do so with the consent of his wife unless his wife is not of sound mind or if she has renounced the world or case to be Hindu. The same goes with the mother. She can also alone give in to adoption if her husband is not alive and is of unsound mind or has ceased to be Hindu. The child adopted should be below 15 years of age. A boy or a girl can be adopted. Before it was that only males can be adopted, but now daughters can also be adopted. The child should be Hindu and should not be adopted previously by anybody else. Capacity of Indian male and female for adoption. The two main legislations dealing with adoptions are the Hindu Adoptions and Maintenance Act 1956 and Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act 2000. The capacity under Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956 is given under Section 7 and Section 8 of the Act. Hindu male. According to the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act, any male who is a Hindu can adopt if he fulfills these conditions. He should attain the age of majority. He must be of sound mind and must be competent to contract. The person taking in adoption must not suffer from insanity. He should be capable enough to understand the provisions of the Act. He shall not adopt any child if he has a wife living at that time except with her consent, unless and until the wife has renounced the world or has become unsound. In the case of divorce, consent is not required, but in the case of judicial separation, consent is necessary. If a person has more than one wife while adopting, then the consent of all the wives is necessary unless the consent of any of the wife becomes unnecessary for any of the reasons specified. According to Section 8 of the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act, any female can adopt if she fulfills certain conditions. The conditions being she should attain the age of majority. After the age of 18, a woman gets the capacity to adopt even though she is not married. She must be of sound mind and is capable enough to understand the provisions of the Act. She is unmarried, or in case she is married, her husband has been dissolved or no more has been declared by the competent court as unsound mind. Capacity to adopt under Juvenile Justice Care and Production Act. A couple or a single parent can adopt an orphan, abandoned, and surrendered child. Nothing in this act shall apply to adoptions under HMA by virtue of Section 37 of the JJ Act 2015 and Regulation 6 and 7 of AR 2017. Child Welfare Committee can declare legally an orphaned, abandoned, surrendered child free from adoption and also allows children up to the age of 18 for adoption. The capacity of male and female under the Juvenile Justice Act 2015 can be grouped under the umbrella term of prospective adoptive parents as mentioned under Section 57 of the JJ Act 2015. In the case of married couples, both spouses' consent is required. A single male is not eligible to adopt a girl child. No child shall be given to any couple until they have at least 2 years of stable marital relationships. The minimum age difference between the adoptive child and the parent should not be less than 25 years. Who can be adopted? Under Section 10 of the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956, a person can be capable of adoption until and unless he fulfills the conditions mentioned below. He or she shall be a Hindu. He or she shall not be adopted earlier. Only unmarried child can be adopted. He or she must be below the age of 15 years to be adopted. Who can give a child in adoption? Both the parents and guardian of a child, one of them if the other has renounced the world or ceased to be Hindu or in case has become mentally unsound. If both the parents are dead or not competent in law, then in that case, the guardian can give in adoption with the permission of the court. Legal procedures of adoption. All the documents of the adoptive parents must have to be submitted to the organization such as PAN card, identity proof, medical report of parents, counseling photographs and consent of both the parents. In our country, India, every child has the right to get adopted. It is a legal process. India, the second highest population in the world, still children are not given proper care by their parents. Through this process of adoption, the childless parents can have a proper care, protection, love, and affection, and can also have a bright future. In the modern Hindu law, every male or female has the right to adopt a child, provided he or she should attain the age of majority, and that's what matters the most.